At the very end, there's a drop box similar to the first drop box, and we'll take a quick look at those. The first paper here. So basically what you do is you write your paper, and it should be preferably in a DOC or DOCX file, and you just upload it. You find it on your computer using the browse, and then upload this file. And then it needs to be manually graded, so there won't be any grade associated with it at first. But you should again see a turnaround in approximately 24 hours. We can take a quick look here. Once you've submitted something, you can see here that this has not been graded yet, but it'll tell you what your grade is. Of course, because it's not been graded, this is 0. The range for it is up to 10, but because there's 0, it's 0%, and there's no feedback on it. So anytime you submit something, it'll show you that. And if you look down at the bottom, it'll tell you course total as well, so you can see how you're doing overall. After the syllabus, we have some recommended and required texts and videos. Now, the only thing that you absolutely have to view in this course are the articles and the textbook. But each unit, as you can see down here, has videos to watch, which I think are helpful to you. But if you want to really expand your knowledge, then I recommend getting some of these texts or videos. These are just Amazon lists, so when you click on them, it'll bring you to a list of the books or videos that I think would benefit you to learn more about specific topics, and they follow the same topic outline as what we have in the course. So this is, you can see, kind of general things that cover origin theories. Then it moves into specifically Egyptian, Greek, Maghreb, India, the Gypsies, Byzantines, Fatimids, medieval Islamic empires, Ottomans, all of that, all the way up until the World's Fair Expo. So these are all, I give little blurbs about how I feel the text relates. If you're going to use any of them, I recommend first getting them used, because they can be really expensive. Check what sellers are offering and get yourself a good price on them. And then this is basically the same thing, but with videos. And most of these are videos that I try to link within the course, but they're not always available for online viewing. So these are all videos that I recommend. I think they add a lot to your understanding. They don't all deal with dance, but they help you understand some of the concepts that are being talked about in the chapters a little bit better, give you a little more context. So let's look quick at some of the videos. Sometimes what happens, because these are not required, I give you a viewing guide. So it'll say what the names are and kind of what each of them has in them. So the viewing guide really just tells you why each of these videos would make a good supplement, so that you can make decisions on which ones you want to watch or don't want to watch. And then once you watch them, they're mostly linked through places like YouTube. So you can see they'll be broken into parts, and they're listed in order. So you just click play. You can watch them on YouTube, save them to your YouTube accounts, make them full screen, all the usual options. But sometimes what happens, unfortunately, is that someone removes a video or something. This one, for example, the Hittites, I don't currently have a copy available. It was being hosted through Snag Films, but it's not available there anymore. So if you come across something where you get an error and it's not working, let me know so that I can post specifically no link at the end of the video. And also when you're looking at the videos, if you're trying to watch something, make sure it says no, whether it says no link or not, before you let me know that there's an error. Because if you're just going through and clicking on everything and then you come here and you can't watch it and you say, oh, I couldn't watch the Hittites, well, if it says no link, then you should already know that you won't be able to watch it. So that's my way of letting you know that that's something that might become available later if I can find another copy, but at this point there's no link. So you can see these ones at this particular current moment, all of them are linked and working. If one of them becomes unavailable, please let me know, and I will change it to say no link at the end so that people don't have to waste their time trying to watch it. I do try to find, if I have a no link, I do continue to look for a copy. Um, a lot of these are hosted on my own YouTube account, so they shouldn't disappear. And I'm working on getting more of them to my own YouTube account by downloading from some of the online available ones and reposting them. But that takes a long time, so I'm sure you understand that sometimes that's more trouble than it's worth. So it's a slow process in getting all of them there. So just with really bear with me if it's a no link. And you can always look for these resources online. You can look for them in your libraries, you can look for them at video rentals, you can look for them to buy for yourself, like, right up here in the recommended and required videos. Most of these videos are in there and you can buy them right from Amazon. So if you really, really want to watch it and it's no link, there are other options for you. So that's pretty much it for how to use this course. If you have any questions that weren't answered here, then please let me know or refer to the student guide. Maybe it's answered in the student guide. If I can't help you or it's not already listed, please feel free to search around in the Moodle documents to see if you can find anything from Moodle about how to do what it is that you want to do. Thank you and enjoy the course.